Yeah.
Action.
Selma.
Yeah.
I done gone to the bad thing.
What'd you do, Louise?
This vial, I found it under Papa's bed.
Now look here, Louise.
And I just sipped it right into my mouth.
No, Louise.
I just drank it.
Go on, throwing it now.
It was poison.
No. We don't have none of that here. Alright? Y'all from down here, we don't do that thing. So
It's poison.
no.
You don't even understand.
No. It's nail polish remover. Oh, no.
You just silly bitch.
That was me. I think so. No, I think so.